Inserting shapes. PowerPoint comes with a set of ready-made shapes or auto shapes that you can use on slides. To insert shapes, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on Shapes command in the Illustrations group. 3. Choose a desired shape from the drop-down menu. The selected shape will be inserted into the slide. Resizing shapes. You can resize the shapes by dragging them through the size handles. 1. Select the shape. 2. Click and drag the resize handle of the shape till you get the desired size of the shape. Filling color in shapes. To fill color in the shape, follow the given steps. 1. Select the shape. 2. Click on Format tab. 3. Click on Shape Fill command. 4. Choose the desired color. The selected color will be applied on the shape.